Wake up to the brutal truth. Your 9-to-5 grind is robbing you of true wealth. Imagine a system where every minute you sleep, your bank account is exploding with cash, a relentless cash flow that demolishes the confines of a traditional job. This isn't a far-fetched fantasy or empty promise. It's a proven strategy designed to shatter the chains of mediocrity and catapult you into a life of financial domination. If you're ready to annihilate the old paradigm and harness a money-making machine that works tirelessly for you, then brace yourself for a revolution in your financial destiny. Imagine a life free from endless mornings stuck in traffic or the mundane routine that drains your energy. Instead of trading precious time for meager earnings, you can establish a system that builds wealth around the clock. Your bank account could swell simply by aligning your investments with a strategy that works relentlessly even while you sleep. This is not about vague promises. It's about taking concrete, actionable steps that redefine financial independence. Many have spent years confined to the traditional work model, watching as their hard-earned money disappears into bills and unforeseen expenses. The relentless pressure of living paycheck to paycheck can feel suffocating. But what if you could break this cycle entirely? What if every morning you awoke to the satisfying sound of dividends and premium incomes fortifying your wealth? One revolutionary method is leveraging the power of covered call ETFs. This innovative investment tool not only delivers regular dividend payouts from a diversified portfolio of stocks, but also generates additional income through the sale of call options. In essence, when you invest in a covered call ETF, you're tapping into a dual income engine. On one hand, you receive the standard dividends from high-quality stocks. On the other, you secure premium income every time the ETF sells call options. For instance, while traditional dividend stocks might demand a staggering capital nearing $2 million to yield around $35,000 annually, a covered call ETF strategy could achieve similar results with an investment of only $280,000 to $310,000. Though market fluctuations and the inherent risks of options trading exist, the potential for amplified income makes this approach a game changer. Another compelling strategy is investing in high-yield REITs, real estate investment trusts. This approach gives you exposure to the robust world of real estate without the hassle of managing properties directly. By pooling capital to acquire and manage income-generating assets like shopping centers, office complexes, or apartment buildings, REITs offer investors regular dividend distributions, sometimes on a monthly basis. Imagine reaping a steady stream of income while bypassing the headaches of property management. For someone targeting an annual dividend income of about $35,000, a carefully selected portfolio of high-yield REITs might require an investment of approximately $320,000, even though REIT performance can be influenced by factors like occupancy rates and broader economic trends. The promise of consistent cash flow provides a solid financial cushion in unpredictable times. A third pathway to long-term financial security lies in the time-tested strategy of investing in Dividend Aristocrats. These elite companies have a history of increasing their dividend payouts for at least 25 consecutive years. By choosing Dividend Aristocrats, you're investing in industry leaders known for stability, resilience, and continuous growth, even during economic downturns. Although the yields of these blue-chip stocks might hover around 7%, their consistent, gradually increasing dividends offer unmatched reliability. For many, the predictable income and lower volatility of Dividend Aristocrats justify a higher capital requirement, often around $500,000, to generate a similar annual income of $35,000. This method isn't just about earning dividends, it's about constructing a fortress of financial stability that endures through market fluctuations. The journey to financial freedom is not about relying on a single strategy, but rather blending multiple approaches into a diversified portfolio that works for you. Imagine a future where your money is consistently active, generating income that allows you to pursue your passions, Spend quality time with loved ones and seize new opportunities without the nagging stress of financial insecurity. Whether you opt for the innovative dual income boost of covered call ETFs, the tangible reliability of high-yield REITs, or the time-honored stability of Dividend Aristocrats, the key is to create a cohesive investment strategy that turns every dollar into a relentless wealth-building machine. For too long, many have accepted the notion that endless work and limited rewards are the only options. But by rethinking traditional financial models and embracing smarter investment strategies, you can break free from this exhausting cycle. It's about transforming your perspective, seeing every dollar not as a fleeting paycheck, but as an opportunity to build a legacy of financial freedom. Visualize a scenario where your investments create a continuous stream of income, working for you 24/7, regardless of your active involvement. The secret lies in constructing a balanced financial blueprint that harmonizes risk and reward through diversified income streams. Covered call ETFs offer the bonus of additional premium income on top of regular dividends, ensuring that every investment dollar works harder for you. High-yield REITs provide exposure to the real estate market's consistent revenue, while Dividend Aristocrats guarantee stability with their legacy of growing dividends. Together, these strategies form a comprehensive roadmap toward achieving financial independence. As you begin to understand the power of letting your money work for you, you'll find that the traditional constraints of time and effort become less significant. No longer is your financial future solely dependent on the hours you clock in at a job. Instead, your investments can generate the wealth needed to support a life of freedom and opportunity. This shift in mindset, from working for money to making money work for you, is the catalyst for a profound transformation in your financial destiny. Every investment strategy carries inherent risks. Covered call ETFs may be subject to market volatility and the uncertainties of options trading. High-yield REITs can be affected by changes in the real estate market, occupancy rates, and economic shifts. Even the stalwart Dividend Aristocrats are not immune to the challenges of economic downturns. However, when these approaches are integrated into a well-diversified portfolio, the overall risk is mitigated, and the potential for steady, reliable returns is significantly enhanced. The most critical insight is that true financial freedom is achieved not through isolated decisions, but through a series of well-informed, calculated moves that accumulate over time. Each strategic investment is a building block toward creating a resilient financial structure that can withstand market uncertainties while steadily growing your wealth. This comprehensive approach ensures that your money continues to work for you, generating income long after the initial investment has been made. Now is the time to redefine what financial security means in your life. Challenge the old paradigm that ties you to the drudgery of a traditional job and embrace a future where your investments are the architects of your wealth. Every choice you make today is a step toward breaking free from the confines of conventional work and stepping into a realm of boundless financial opportunity. By integrating these dynamic strategies, covered call ETFs, high-yield REITs, and Dividend Aristocrats, into your investment plan, you establish a system that not only meets your current needs, but also builds a legacy of long-term prosperity. This is your invitation to transform your financial destiny. Every morning as you wake up, you could be greeted by the tangible results of a meticulously designed investment strategy, a strategy that frees you from the relentless demands of a 9-to-5 routine. Imagine the satisfaction of watching your bank account grow steadily, the assurance of knowing that your money is continuously compounding, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. This isn't a fleeting dream. It's a practical, actionable plan that has the power to revolutionize your financial future. Embrace the journey with unwavering determination and a willingness to rethink conventional wisdom. Every dollar invested is a vote for a future where financial independence is not just a possibility, but an inevitable reality. Step away from the limits imposed by traditional employment and step into a world where your financial destiny is shaped by smart, diversified strategies. This is more than an investment plan. It's a blueprint for a life of freedom, abundance, and unbridled opportunity. Take the first step today. Transform your mindset, reshape your financial strategy, and watch as your wealth grows exponentially. The path to financial domination is laid out before you. Now it's up to you to seize it and make it your own. Subscribe to our channel and watch the next video.